SupremeMaster Chinghai-来discussion on climate change entitled Benevolent Messages from Mars, Be Virtuous and Save the Earth, via video conference with SupremeMaster Television staff in Los Angeles, California, USA, on January 18, 2009.
Okay. Wow, you're beautiful.
Yes, you're beautiful, Master.
Happy New Year, kids.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Master.
What is the occasion today?
First, most beloved Master, we are so deeply grateful that you are taking some of your precious time to be with us today. Thank you for blessing us with your most loving and beautiful presence. Your wise and compassionate example continues to lead us and the world into a golden age of peace. We look forward to the day, with the help of your unconditional grace, when all beings on this planet will be cherished and will live in a joyful paradise called Earth. Thank you, Master.
Thank you for inviting me. How are you guys?
Great!
Great,
Thank you,
Master.
Master.
All right, good. We are working for a little while longer, okay?
Yes,
Okay.
Master.
Okay.
Master.
For the sake of others, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
Master.
Master.
Then we will see what else we do.
Okay.
Before we start it, I want to say something. I want to thank you, You have also many good ideas, and you are diligent, yes, and you are dedicated, which is very, very good of you, and good for you, and good for the planet, okay? Let's hope. So with the days, you improve a lot, and I'm very proud of you guys, and thank you, huh?
Thank you, Master.
So, is there anything I can do for you today? Any question?
On the news recently, NASA scientists say that the methane cloud recently detected on Mars could be produced by geological or perhaps even life-related activity on the planet. We had also interviewed Dr. Michael Meyer of NASA's Mars Exploration Program regarding this, and he said that the methane measurements they found are localized and that it is being produced or released recently. However, he said what's very interesting about these findings are that they actually do not know the cause of it. We were so excited to learn about this news about Mars.
And Master, during the conference with Seoul Center Korea, you had promised that there would be a time to speak more in detail about Mars, and particularly about their own past planetary crisis. Why haven't you told us anything since then?
Did I promise? Yeah? Okay, a promise is a promise. Okay. I didn't tell anybody because there are several reasons. The first reason is that the Korean people has never asked me again. So I forgot, being busy every day. Yes. And have dogs and birds and all that, yeah. And the group meditation, etc. Now, another reason is that I worry that the Earthling might search and try to find the survivors of Mars, and it might not be very favorable for them, yeah, for their existence. And another reason is I have to ask their permission whether or not I should disclose all that you wanted to know about them. So I got their permission. Yeah. But I have forgotten all about it, I have done some research about it with the Martian people, And I've got some notes, but it's been a long time, and they've been laying around with my cooking recipes and all kind of others, other documents that, okay, but if you ask, I will try to look for the right answer if I have in my notes, and if you are patient, I will give it to you accordingly, okay?
Thank you, Master. Thank you. We have a lot of questions.
Go ahead.
First question. May we know exactly what happened to the Martians?
Exactly what happened. Wow. That takes a long time, yeah? But, okay, I will try to check out where is the document, yeah? Will you be patient, okay?
Yes.
Yes, Master.
Yeah, it's been a long time, and I haven't got a time to even sort them out, like alphabetically or anything. Let me see. What exactly happened, huh? Okay. Okay, it happened about 40 million years ago.
Wow.
The mass extinction happened 40 million years ago. Okay, maybe you ask a little bit more detail, and then I will answer you one by one. How about that?
Okay.
Okay.
Because if you just ask like that, I will have to write a book. You ask one by one, not like ABC all together, and then I have problem searching in my document here, because I wrote them during like half meditative state of mind, and I had to scribble them in the middle of the night under a small light, and worried to wake up the dogs and break up my concentration and all that stuff. So, you take it easy on me, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
Okay.
Okay, you ask more, and then we will find it, okay?
Master, were there any survivors? And how many were there? Thank you,
There were
Master.
survivors. Yes, there were survivors. The first survivors were about 2 million people. And now they have about 5,800,000.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
How were they able to survive?
let me think. Let me see if anything else. Okay, yes. That's it. The final survivors at that time. It's 2 million.
Where and how do the Martians live?
They live underground, and they live very frugally, recyclingly, spiritually. I think I have told a little bit with some Korean people already. Where do they live? I check it out for you.